So there's no way to make this look good on the mannequin. It's the sleeves. But I got the blouse done. I shortened the sleeves and added this cute little ribbon. It looks so adorable. I absolutely love the blouse, which is the part that I thought I was going to hate. But I did put it off for a very long time. So I kind of put this up on the mannequin just to see all the pieces together, and I like the way it's looking. I'll show a video of me in it because it just doesn't look right on my mannequin. I don't have it pinned properly or anything, but I just wanted to see, will this fabric look right as a little neck scarf? And I think I've concluded that yes it does. It looks quite nice. So my Belle has a lot of white visible, and I think this blue just adds a little more of her signature color. And we've got somewhat of the same blue in here, and then it's also relatively close. Well, it doesn't look close on camera, but in person I swear this blue looks relatively close to this blue. So it's gonna frame the outfit quite nicely. So I'm gonna work on the fichu this evening and put the grommets in my corset. And that's about it. So not bad for the first half of my week. I forgot to record Monday and Tuesday, so it is actually Wednesday. So this is my evening project. I'm very excited to get this done and to move on to Cosmos. So guess what? We're done. I finished it. It only took, I think, a month, which isn't so bad given that I don't have like a ton of free time. But everything is finished. I forgot to put this neck scarf fichu thingy on before the corset. I think that's how you're supposed to wear it, so I just sort of tucked it in so I could get a look and make sure I like the blue, but I think it goes quite nicely with the corset and with the blue of the skirt. But I'm so excited. I do need to fix my lacing though. I did it all myself. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little weird. My modesty panel is a little funky right now, but so I may relace it because it was just a little off. But yeah, this is the outfit I'll be wearing next week to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween. I'm super excited. Alright, now back to Sailor Cosmos and lots of sequencing. So I had a thought. I thought that if I remove the apron and the features and the corset, paired it with a black one instead, we would get Ariel. What do you think? I think it would work. I don't know if you can see it, but I think it would work. So it's Saturday morning, and I did a very, very awful job this week of recording pretty much everything. I just was not in the mood, but I remained productive because I knew I wanted to put a video out. So my plan is working overall. So I actually plan on making quite a bit of progress today, but I didn't do as much as I had been. As I showed earlier, Belle got done, so that was fantastic. And then I moved back to Cosmos. So with Cosmos, I got this big sequencing cloud thing completed, and this is like 95% completed. So then I think what I'm going to do next is, I was thinking about doing gems for these little swooshies, but I'm really liking the way the sequence looks. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do these. I don't know if you can tell, I have like two different kinds of sequins in here, a smaller one and a larger one. So I'm going to do the smaller sequence all through this. It is a darker gold as well, so it'll just add a little bit more dimension, I think. And then I'll also do the mini sequence here. I have large gems for these pieces. And then I have like trim that has sequence on it. It's going to go here. And then I need to do this little piece up here. And then of course, mirror it all over, which is going to be extraordinarily time consuming to get that symmetrical, but I am determined to get it symmetrical. And then I think I'm going to do little gems on these little circular pieces just so that there is something else. But I purchased some gold jewelry cord that's pretty thin, but I think it'll look really good edging all of this out. It'll just give a solid base to the shape and give a little bit more depth. So we'll play with that when that gets here, but I think that's going to look really good. So this is my mission for next week. Finish the sequencing. And then if I have time, work on my other courses, which I did. I actually got some of the boning channels stitched in for Smaug, but it wasn't very exciting to look at, so I didn't include it. I also need to figure out about cleaning this part up. This was a total accident. I think I'll be able to clip most of it out, and at the very least, there's going to be a big resin gem here with leaves and flowers and stuff, so I think it'll be covered up if it does show. That's unfortunate. So that's week 4, I think. So super excited to be moving on to something else. I finished an entire cosplay since I started these video series, so that's super exciting. So I think it's working to keep me mentally progressing. I do have one more thing to show you. I got some really cute prints to add to my studio. We have a Displacer Beast kitten, and then Ariette of the Charmed Apple. She is on my to make list. I'm excited to do this mirroring and to make a crystal apple and all of these roses. So I bought this for a reference, but it's just so gorgeous. It's going on my wall. And then this is too cute. I could not say no to this. I actually have the magic card for this as well, and it is just adorable. So that's my week. I will see you next Saturday.